So the history of Armin Strom actually started with Mr. Armin Strom himself. Mr. Armin Strom started his business in 1967. Every piece was a unique piece made by hand for specific customers. And Armin Strom, he slowly became famous for skeletonizing because the technique he used was very unique. So they called him the master of skeleton timepieces. When Armin Strom got retired, he was looking for somebody who takes over his company. This was the point where Serge Michel, my childhood friend, a watch lover, a watch collector, myself, I'm a watchmaker, we saw that it's a cool idea to take this heritage of watchmaking from our hometown and to build out a manufactory out of this legacy in skeletonizing. For our 10th anniversary, we wanted to have a very unique watch. A unique watch which was built or based on our resonance technology, because we are famous for I think, the latest generation of resonance. The cool thing about resonance is that we have two movements in one watch which do synchronize each other. The way of synchronization is our patented clutch spring, which allows the two balance wheels to share an information and to finally beat at the same frequency and to be in resonance. The Masterpiece 2 is combining the minute repeater with the resonance. And that's a world premiere because there's no other grand complication built on resonance or watch. So what we can see from the dial side, we have the two balance wheels beating in resonance. So we have two barrels, two gear trains, two escapements, two balance wheels, which do synchronize each other for a better timekeeping. And on top of it, we have the minute repeater to achieve the time. The back side of Masterpiece 2, we can see the two vertical stacked barrels, which are independent but wound on the same time. And on the upper side of the movement, we see the whole mechanism of the minute repeater. We have a sapphire dial. We have three-dimensional gongs. The three-dimensional gongs are completely visible on the dial side. Armin Strom never covered the movement with the dial. Armin Strom, he always wanted to make the movement part of the design, that the people can explore, the people can enjoy the beauty of the mechanic. The Masterpiece 2 is a piece which you can really discover all the details from resonance, skeletonized bridges, up to the minute repeater.